Welcome to Computer Education for All. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to clone, add GitHub repository, a step-by-step guide, install Git on Windows, download from git-schem.com. As per your system requirements, open Git from Windows. To check version type, Git version. To enter username, type git config global user.name sati and press enter. Now to add email registered at git, type git config global user.email rustam.sati@gmail.com. Explore director to save project C/E. Make director folder to copy project type mkdir folder name git latest. Type ls to see the created folder. Open folder type C git latest. Open GitHub repository and sign in your repository, and open projects and go to repository to copy the link to clone. Type git clone, paste link and press enter. Project is cloned successfully. Project is cloned. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more interesting tutorials, please like, share, comments, and subscribe the Computer Education for All.